If you love cruises, especially Royal Caribbean, there's a very high chance you've seen the new Royal One Visa card online lately. Because honestly, Royal Caribbean is heavily promoting this card in 2026, especially to loyal cruise travelers. But is this actually the best cruise credit card right now? Or is it just another travel card with flashy cruise branding? Because honestly, online opinions about this card are very mixed, so in this video, we're talking about the real truth behind the Royal One Visa card, the pros, cons, what real users are saying, and whether this is actually worth getting in 2026. First, what is the Royal One Visa card? The Royal One Visa card is the new cruise rewards card connected to Royal Caribbean Celebrity Cruises and Silversea. The card replaced the older Royal Caribbean Visa system in 2026, and honestly, that update created a lot of attention online. Now let's talk about the biggest thing people like: cruise rewards. The card earns extra points on Royal Caribbean. Purchases plus rewards for things like groceries, gas, and everyday spending. And honestly, for people constantly booking cruises, those points can add up over time, especially for onboard credits and cruise discounts. Now another thing users like: no foreign transaction fees, and for travelers, that's definitely useful, especially on international trips and cruises. Now, another feature people talk about: priority boarding. Because yes, some versions of the card include priority boarding benefits for cruises, and honestly, for frequent cruisers, small perks like that actually matter more than people think, especially during busy embarkation days. Now let's talk about the big criticism, because honestly, this is where many people became disappointed. The rewards system is very limited compared to general travel cards. Points are mainly tied to Royal Caribbean-related spending and cruise rewards, meaning you do not get the same flexibility as major travel cards, like Chase Sapphire, Amexor, Capital One travel cards, and honestly, this is the #1 complaint online right now. Many users say the points feel too restricted. Now another issue: reward value, A lot of Reddit users say the earning rates are honestly mediocre outside cruise purchases, especially for everyday spending. Some people literally called it a decent cruise card, but a weak overall travel card. And honestly, that opinion shows up constantly online. Now let's talk about the annual fee versions, because there are actually multiple versions now, including a Premium Plus version with a yearly fee. The higher tier card includes more cruise perks and slightly stronger rewards, but honestly, many users online feel the extra fee is difficult to justify unless you cruise very frequently. Now another thing, people mention the card is mostly valuable for hardcore Royal Caribbean fans, especially people already spending thousands on cruises every year, because if you only cruise occasionally, general travel cards may honestly give you far better long-term value. Now, let's talk about online reactions, because honestly, Reddit reviews were very divided. Some loyal cruisers liked the straightforward rewards and cruise discounts, while others said cashback cards and flexible travel cards still outperforms it easily, especially because general travel cards often provide better protections, better transfer options, and more flexible rewards overall. Now, to be fair, not everybody dislikes the card. Some cruise fans genuinely enjoy priority boarding, simple cruise rewards, and keeping everything inside the Royal Caribbean ecosystem, especially people who sail with Royal Caribbean multiple times every year. Now let's be honest for a second. The Royal One Visa card is probably not the best travel credit card available in 2026, because honestly, the rewards are too limited compared to stronger travel cards, But if you are a loyal Royal Caribbean cruiser and you regularly spend money on cruises, the card may still make sense for the cruise-specific perks alone. So, to wrap, this Up the Royal One Visa card can absolutely be useful for dedicated cruise fans, especially people loyal to Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruise, or Silver Sea. But honestly, for most normal travelers, there are probably stronger and more flexible travel cards available in 2026. Still, if cruises are a huge part of your lifestyle, the Royal One card may honestly be a fun and useful addition to your wallet.